Yeah, good evening. This evening, I will cook some brown stew turkey and dumpling. So, guys, see me season my meat. You see, this is the turkey. Season up with the ground season and some bag season. So, what I go do now, I go use sugar and brown the turkey. So, what I go do, I go put on the pot, put on the oil, and put in the sugar and make you see what I go on. So, just stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so what I go do now, put on the pot with the sugar. So I'm going to use coconut juice to cook my turkey. So just watch and see what I'm going. Also, I'm going to put some spaghetti in my turkey. So just watch what I'm going, guys. Guys, the sugar start to brown. So I'm going to show you what I'm going. Just watch what I'm going, guys. And watch the badness. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys, so this what I go on in the pot is sugar. And the sugar me use. So the meat brown and pretty. And then I finish it. So watch how I go on, guys. Guys, take a look in the pot. You see that? Alright, so now I'm keep going brown and I'm going to need the flour. And remember I'm going to use coconut juice and cook my turkey. So watch the badness, guys. Yeah. So now we know I'm going to need some flour. Yeah, guys, so this is my flour. I'm not going to cook a whole heap of flour. I'm young and I don't know it like this, guys. So I'm going to cook this and the turkey. So I'm going to buy a pot. Be about this line. Be about it. Guys, remember, I'm going to use coconut juice to cook my turkey. Yes, guys, so this is my flour. Flour finished the seed. Yeah, you know I'm more flour on this from your husband, so you don't know about this. So guys, now make this cook. We come on, then we put in the coconut juice. And with the coconut juice cook, with the meat and it go down, we put in some more brown season. So just watch what I'm guys. Yeah guys, so my coconut juice, I will put it in now. Put in the coconut juice, you know. When you put in the coconut juice and it go down, I will put some spaghetti. Yeah, I will put some spaghetti. If you need, I will put a butter bean, but I not put no butter bean. I will put the spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti. Guys, I'm going to know how to make it cook and then we add in some more brown seeds. You don't know about this one. And I'm going to put on the flour at one time. Just watch what I do. Now I put no whole flour, so I use a little pot. Yeah, guys, so light up the flour pot. Salt. Don't know the chopping stuff. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so make your water go and boil. The water start to boil. Let me show you how to put in the flour. Yeah. Water cook. Hi guys, so we can start putting the flour in now. So now be yeah, so I will put in the flour in now. But start while I put in the guys up on the dumpling instead. Yeah. And a long pretty dumpling, you know. Ugly dumpling. Guys, the dumpling they ugly and I like it. They can't eat the same way. Yeah, dumpling they ugly this evening. Yeah guys, so my turkey I cook. So we're not going to finish putting it on, I'm going to cut up some more ground season. Put it on the pot. Done my bad stuff. Yeah. The guys the flour eat. I'm going to roll it about in just 160 down. That's good. I don't need a lot of flour, me one. Yeah guys, my flour done cook now. You see it? So adjust the turkey up on the fire. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in the spaghetti and and the rest are ground season. So watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put you in spaghetti now. So this is my spaghetti, you see? My spaghetti, yeah. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Not too much. And also, I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna put a Maggi cube. You must have said, oh, I put the salt before I put the Maggi cube, not too much. And we have to watch that. Pat and salt. Some people are salt, pat them put the salt, and then they put the Maggi cube.